Hey guys, it's Brian. We're back here in the Frostbite JL and we are off-roading again today. We're out at Ladee. We were going to go snow wheeling today, but it was such a nice day we decided to head out to Oregon. We're going to run Ladee. We're on Trail 800. You guys have seen this one before. It's a nice easy one. It's the maiden voyage of the 513. So we're going to go ahead and see how they do on the trail today. All right guys, here we go. Okay, here we go on 800. We're out here with our buddies Kevin and his XJ and Charles and Christina in her red XJ. We're going to go ahead and hit up some more of these rocks here and head on over to a play area. So now we made it to that play area. This is going to be a bunch of man-made obstacles. They are pretty fun. These logs do get a little slippery when they're wet. Let's see how the new locker does. Yeah. I think that rear locker helps.
Oh, dude,
yeah.
It's really soupy. That was fun. Definitely enjoying that new locker. That's definitely a fun little section on those logs. They are pretty slippery. I did go ahead and film a little section here talking about the lockers, but the mic cut out. So all I was saying is I do enjoy those new lockers. I think it really did help having that rear one when we're going up over the logs. The 513s definitely don't hurt either. I do have it all set up to that Lasfit switch panel, and everything worked flawless on this trip. Alright, let's go ahead and head on up to the next obstacle.
Okay. That was sick. Here, I got a dump cooler.
Cool, thanks man.
Yeah, dude.
It was pretty cool seeing this built Tacoma and Samurai out on the trail. These guys were new to the area, so they decided they were going to tag along with us for the rest of the day, which is pretty cool. We get some more cool footage of them on 803. That Tacoma is running 38s. Makes me want to get some bigger tires. Alright, let's get after it here in the rocks. We're coming up on the last big obstacle of 800. This is going to be the hill climb into the parking lot. Let's go ahead and watch Kevin and that Samurai come through here. This is pretty cool, guys. It's funny, Kevin got stuck here for like a while last time. Yeah. And some dude on dirt bike came over and like threw one little rock in. He's like, there you go, try it, and he popped right up.
Oh, that's funny.
It was kind of funny.
So disappointed I didn't bring my quad in my bike.
Yeah. Bike would have been good. Yeah, he was like right here, and the guy like tossed him off. I kind of like that thing.
Reminds me of Rick's rig. Rick lens.
Oh, yeah.
They would just build trails like this all over.
Okay, that's going to do it for part 1 of our trip out here to Ladee. Make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss the next one. We're going to run 803. This one's pretty cool, guys. Alright, we'll see you on the next one.